Hey, what's up, Dentcoin holders? What's going on this time? Dentcoin is completely on the profit, my friends. Especially take a very huge jump in last 7 days, my friends. You can see the last 7 days change occurring. So 10.4% the price is increased now. You can see the 0.006 USD dollar is the highest price, and the current price is 0.005 USD dollar. So that's clear, my friends. To Dentcoin price will increase now. But my friends, absolutely in upcoming time, there is a chance to Dentcoin will pumps up. Can there is a chance, my friends, student coin will give you a profit, my friends. So completely we will talk about this now, my friend. But kindly please, if you are new my channel, first of all I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much, my brother. Let's get started a brand video. But please, my friend, this time this is not a financial videos. I just advise you, please research personally, my friends. Every coin will wake up after a huge dump, but this time you can see, my friends, refinance sorry Dent coin is fails down, my friend, after this huge dump. So after a huge dump also every coin will dumps down, but after a dumps absolutely they will pumps up. So in last 7 days they will get a profit 10%, but if we check out the last 24 hour, my friend, so in last 24 hour minus 1.24% they were fails down. So that's mean to after a huge pump the Dent coin were fails down. But don't worry, my friend, as you can see here the direction is again starting moving upward. So that's clear to just and only, my friends, in upcoming time the price will be increasing and they will recover all the lost and give you a very good profit. So don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. I hope Coin will make you a millionaire and give you a double profit. Allah Hafiz, take care.